2, Josh Markwood. Lane 3, Charles Moore.
Hands up!
Take your mark.
So today we're swimming Hamlet. It's our first meet. It's gonna be a great meet. It's not too hot. We're getting ready to go. It's gonna be a great meet, and I think we're really, really ready to go. And we're gonna get us started with these young 8 and unders right now. Check it out.
Ready, set, go.
What's that smell? Who's gonna win?
We've had 4 long weeks of practice. Now it's finally time to unleash it on this other team here, Hamlet.
It's gonna be sweet. You guys are gonna do awesome. Have fun, okay? Don't be nervous. I work you way harder than this. Okay, let's go.
One more 25, one more 25. Last, did you hear me? Last semester.
Today we had a wonderful meet against Hamlet, some really good swims, best times across the board for our entire team. We had a bunch of records go down. We had JT break the free record, the 9-10 boys broke the 9 and 10 medley record, and the mixed age boys knocked off a very old former NVSL record. It was a great day for Tuckahoe. See you next time.